Hi, I'm Scott, a product engineer here at Environmental Lights. In this video, we will cover the installation process for Environmental Lights Premium Modular LED under cabinet lighting. First, prepare the necessary pieces and tools to install your lights. Each 12 or 20-inch modular ultra-thin LED under cabinet light with diffuser and switch includes 2 mounting clips, 2 screws, a straight bar-to-bar connector, and a 40-inch connector cable. The larger 40-inch lights ship with 3 sets of mounting clips and screws along with the straight connector and connector cable. Each modular angled LED under cabinet light with diffuser and switch comes with the angled versions of the same hardware. Mounting screws are provided for the modular surface mount LED puck light with diffuser and all mountable accessories. You will need a Phillips screwdriver or drill, a pencil, a tape measure, and a 24-volt DC power supply. We recommend the UL listed 36-watt 24-volt DC power supply for modular under cabinet lights. The light bars have built-in switches, so no external switch is required. Optionally, the master switch for ultra-thin LED under cabinet lights, touch dimmer for modular under cabinet lights, or inline dimmer for modular under cabinet lights can be used to control multiple lights at once. Simulating your intended installation before mounting will ensure that you have all the correct components to complete the installation. Remember, be safe and disconnect power when you are adding or removing anything. The 24-volt DC power supply for modular under cabinet lights can directly connect into the first switch, dimmer, splitter, or light in your installation. We offer a low voltage plug converter for power supplies with larger barrel connectors. We also have the DC junction connector for modular ultra-thin LED under cabinet lights for power supplies that have bare wire outputs. To use a DC junction, unscrew the case and insert your stripped wires into the wire holders. Facing the wire holder as shown, the positive wire goes on the left side. Screw the DC junction back together and you're ready to go. Power can be connected to either end of a light bar, but the DC junction is only compatible with ultra-thin lights and not the angled versions. More light bars can be added end-to-end using straight, angled, or cable connectors. Straight and angled connectors line up with the 3 holes on either end of the light bars. Use the center receptacle on each light to make cable connections. Use the built-in cable to add a single modular puck light to the end of your last light bar. The 4 or 8 output splitter for modular under cabinet lights can be used to add more than one puck light or to route power in different directions. Connect power to a receptacle on the splitter and use any other receptacle to send power to additional lights. If you include a dimmer or switch in your installation, connect it between the incoming power and the lights. Connect the input of the switch or dimmer to power and the output to the next light. Built-in switches should be left on the on position when using the master switch or dimmer. The touch dimmer and master switch are only compatible with ultra-thin lights and not the angled versions. The modular switch and dimmers are compatible with 36-watt and smaller power supplies. Use a dimmer compatible with your specific power supply if you use a larger one. Information about dimming other 24-volt DC power supplies can be found in our Dimming 24-volt power supply webpage. Ensure that the power supply can reach your first light and the cabinet is thick enough for the mounting screws before going any further. The following instructions are the same for both ultra-thin and angled lights. To mount a light bar, hold it in the intended installation position and mark it. Remove the light and mark locations for mounting screws near each end. Use the tape measure to ensure that the holes are all the same distance from the cabinet edge so the light will be square with the cabinet. Mark a 3rd screw location near the middle for 40-inch lights. Insert the screws through the mounting clips and drive them in. Once they are secure, snap the light into the clips. Repeat these steps with any additional light bars. Mark the location for subsequent lights while they are connected to the previous one if you are using straight or angled connectors. To install a modular surface mount LED puck light with diffuser, splitter for modular under cabinet lights, or inline dimmer for modular under cabinet lights, place the product in the desired position and use the provided screws to secure it. Keep in mind, the DC junction, master switch, and touch dimmer are only compatible with ultra-thin lights, not angled. Only one modular dimming control or master switch should be used per section of lights. Dim installations over 36 watts with a dimmable 24-volt power supply and compatible dimmer. Power consumption for the lights is 11 watts for 40-inch bars, 5 watts for 20-inch bars, and 3 watts for both 12-inch bars and puck lights. We recommend adding a 25% safety margin to light power consumption when sizing your power supply. There you have it. Just follow the steps outlined here and your modular under-cabinet lights will be up and running in no time. We highly recommend investing a few minutes to watch our Debugging Your LED Lighting System video before starting your installation. It could save you a lot of time and frustration. If you still have any questions, visit our FAQ section in video library for more information about LED lighting, or give us a call. We'd love to help.